Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm really excited to have you all with us today. At Oppo, we've been exploring the immense possibilities of extended reality technology for quite a while. And during the last two Inno Day events, we have showcased some of the groundbreaking progress with our AR glass prototypes. We've gained a vast amount of experience in optics and spatial computing technology needed to make extended reality possible. We've also worked closely with developers, hosting events where we've learned more about what both consumers and the industry want. Throughout this journey, we've constantly asked ourselves one question. Right now, in 2021, how can we make extended reality accessible to more people? How can we create a product that is able to serve people in a way that's both practical and portable? With these goals in mind, we needed to create a device with a new form factor. This is AR, assisted reality, a new tool for a new world. One that is more portable and more practical for everyday life, providing people with access to information in a way that is not only fast, but also convenient, and enabling people to make use of it in a way that assists their understanding of the world around them. And this is Oppo Ar Glass. Let's take a look. Impressive, right? As a device designed to be worn on a user's face, we knew from the very start that weight, size, and appearance would be crucial to getting the design of Oppo Ar Glass right. The design of the main body takes inspiration from a feather, light, nimble, and curved. With the touch bar so slim, it looks like the shaft of a feather. The eyeglass lens breaks away from the traditional round or rounded rectangular designs, with its shape that looks like a cicada wing. And you can appreciate how light this lens is just from its appearance. To create these free-flowing curves, we've used an integrated CNC process to manufacture the frame, resulting in just approximately 30 grams in total weight for Oppo Ar Glass. Small and beautiful, light and nimble, Oppo Ar Glass is everything you would expect from a wearable device and more. Aside from the design, the quality of the display is essential to providing a comfortable and practical user experience. And essential to delivering this high display quality is the image projector. To keep Oppo Ar Glass as light and portable as possible, we designed all the core components for the projector from the ground up. The result is one of the smallest projectors ever made, the Spark Micro Projector. The entire projector module is just 0.5 cubic centimeters in volume, making it about the size of a single coffee bean. This is only possible thanks to an integrated CNC metal design and a 5-lens projection system, which provide improved heat dissipation and stability while keeping everything confined to a tiny space. Driving the Spark microprojector is the world's most advanced micro LED, an LED array so powerful the combined output of its 4 micron pixels can achieve a brightness of up to 3 million nits. The display of Oppo Ar Glass uses a bespoke diffractive optical waveguide to significantly improve peak brightness and uniformity. The optical waveguide provides a 256-level grayscale display with a maximum average brightness of 1,400 nits, ensuring its content is always visible. We have also used 2 layers of sapphire glass to blanket the display area, providing improved transparency and durability. All of the components powering Oppo Ar Glass are housed in the compact temple section of the frame. They say that the best things come in small packages, and to squeeze all of this power into such a small space, our engineers meticulously designed the internal structure. Housed in this section of the frame is not only the projector, but also Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform, touch bar, battery, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, speaker, dual microphones, and more. Our goal with Oppo Ar Glass is to help you access information more effectively, connect seamlessly with your phone or your smartwatch. Through the control app on your smartphone or smartwatch, you can adjust display brightness and sound volume, or completely turn off notifications if needed. This is also where you can launch and close apps. Once launched, information from the apps will be displayed on the lens for you to view. Wearing your Oppo Ar Glass, when you receive a notification, just tap the touch bar to view it in full. Or for true hands-free interaction, just nod your head down to open the notification, and once you are done, you can shake your head to close it. You can also check things like the weather. Other daily essentials like the calendar are never far from sight either. And to switch between different apps, all I need to do is swiping along the touch bar located on the side of the Oppo Ar Glass. With the Teleprompter app, I can simply upload the speech, select the size, the positioning, and the control of the text, and I'm ready to go. To move on to the next block of text, I just tap the touch bar. And we are also testing hand gesture tracking with Oppo Watch, so you can interact intuitively. This next feature is one I'm really excited about: translation. Once paired, both sides can start communicating as they would in their own language. The voice is converted to text, which is then translated and displayed in your preferred language. Currently, it supports translation between Chinese and English, with support for Chinese and Japanese, and Chinese and Korean soon to follow. Navigation is something we all use on a daily basis, and with Oppo Ar Glass, it becomes a whole lot easier. Simply launch the navigation app and begin the navigation. If I want to find my way to China Resources Tower, all I need to do is say, walk or cycle to China Resources Tower, and the navigation will start. With Oppo Ar Glass, all the information you need is displayed right there in front of you and through the speaker next to your ear. Right now, we are working closely with Baidu to further enhance the navigation experience. And this is Oppo Ar Glass. Now that you've seen how Oppo Ar Glass is set to revolutionize assisted reality for all, let me quickly go over just some of the innovations that are behind this exceptional device. Oppo Ar Glass is built around a pioneering monocular waveguide design, powered by an ultra-bright 3 million nits micro LED and our Spark micro projector, and protected by highly transparent and durable sapphire glass. Thanks to the lightweight components and its integrated CNC manufactured design, Oppo Ar Glass weighs around 30 grams. And its sleek, minimal design is brought to life in two stunning color finishes, white and black. What's more, Oppo Ar Glass is a breeze to use, offering seamless connectivity with Oppo smartphones and Oppo Watch, as well as 4 ways to control through touch, voice, head movement, and hand gestures. As always with Oppo technology, we want Ar Glass to be accessible to as many people as possible. We offer 2 different frame designs, a full frame in black and a half frame design in silver, each of which is available in 2 sizes. These custom frames ensure that Oppo Ar Glass can be worn comfortably and securely when walking, jogging, and cycling throughout the day. Oppo Ar Glass is the future of extended reality, and we believe that it will become the 3rd screen in our lives after the smartphone and the smartwatch. This future is just around the corner. Today, I'm excited to announce that Oppo Ar Glass is scheduled to launch in mainland China in the first quarter of 2022. We are excited to see how people from all walks of life interact and engage with the world through their Oppo Ar Glass. We will be creating a community for users to provide feedback and share their experiences with the glasses. Exploring the full potential of extended reality means not only creating a product that opens new doors for its users, but also one that brings new possibilities to developers. Finally, after years of hard work, we have created a practical and user-friendly smart glass. But we also know that there is a much longer journey ahead to unlock the real potential of extended reality. With that in mind, I'm also pleased to announce that Oppo Smart Glass SDK will be made available to developers, including our custom version of Baidu Maps. Developers can explore their own exciting ways of bringing the convenience of extended reality to more users. We look forward to working with developers and industry partners as we build an entire ecosystem around extended reality and the future of consumer electronic devices. Thank you.